Since the first grade, when the Palmers moved to California, Jonathan had practiced earthquake drills in school each year. He knew most earthquake occurred along the shore in the Pacific Ocean. He knew that San Andreas Fault run north and south for 100 miles in California, making a land particularly something to earthquake. He knew that if an earthquake hit while he was in school, he's supposed to crawl under his desk or under a table because injury was most likely to be caused by a roof caving in on him.
Ever since first grade, when the Palmers moved to California, Jonathan had practiced earthquake drills in school each year. He knew that most earthquakes occurred along the shores of the Pacific Ocean. He knew that the San Andreas Fault runs north and south for hundreds of miles in California, making that land partially susceptible to earthquakes. He knew that if an earthquake hit while he was in school, he was supposed to crawl under his desk or under a table because injury was most likely to be caused by roof caving in on him.
Ever since first grade, when the Palmers moved to California, Jonathan had practiced earthquake drills in school each year. He knew that most earthquakes occur along the shores of the Pacific Ocean. He knew that San Andreas Fault runs north and south for hundreds of miles in California, making that the land particularly susceptible to earthquakes. He knew that if an earthquake hit while he was in school, he was supposed to crawl under his desk or under a table because injury was almost likely to be caused by the roof caving in on him.
Ever since first grade, when the Palmers moved to California, Jonathan had practiced earthquake drills in his school each year. He knew that most earthquakes occur along the shores of a Pacific Ocean. He knew that the San Andreas Fault runs north and south the hundreds of miles of California, making the land Hercules subtitle to earthquakes. He knew that if an earthquake hit while he was in school, he was supposed to crawl under his desk or under a table because injury was most likely to be caused by the roof caving in on him.